Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss one more important topic, and the topic is daily schedule. It means is there that what do you do since morning till night, that is called daily schedule, and this is really very much important topic. Okay, so telling you why is this important, I am telling you because this topic is asked many times in the interviews as well as in our general life. You have to speak on this topic. मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, ये टॉपिक बहुत बार यूज होता है अक्सर कि हाँ अपने बारे में बताइए, सुबह से शाम तक आप क्या करते हैं, डेली शेड्यूल क्या है आपका वो बताइए। तो मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूं। Let's start. But before starting, I am just giving you one more thing, that I am giving myself one example. मैं आपको एक example दे रहा हूं और इसके बाद में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि इसको बनाने के लिए आपको क्या करना होगा and how can you improve your English. आप अपनी इंग्लिश को कैसे improve कर सकते हो, मैं आपको ये बताने वाला हूं। So let's start. It's my pleasure to be here. First of all, I would like to say thanks to sir as he has given me a chance to speak about myself. Well, friends, I get up early in the morning at 5 o'clock, and after that, I clean teeth, floss mouth, and then I go to freshen up. After that, I put on my shoes and put on my clothes. Then I go for a walk. I go for a walk for 4 kilometers. Then I do some exercise, and after that I come back to my home and relax for some time. Put off my shoes and put off my clothes, and then I take 1 cup tea. And after taking 1 cup tea, I relax for some more time. As it becomes 7:30 o'clock near about, I get ready for taking bath. I go to bathroom and I take bath. After taking bath, I put on clothes and then I worship God. I worship God for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I come out of the temple. I get ready for my office. Meanwhile, my mother cooks breakfast for me. I take breakfast, and after taking breakfast, I take my car key and then I take my car to my office at 9 o'clock sharp. My office starts from 10 to 6, so I leave my home at 9 o'clock and then I reach my office at 10 o'clock. I start working up to 1 o'clock, and then it is my lunch time. I take my lunch along with my colleagues, and after that I start working again up to 6 o'clock. I keep on working up to 6 o'clock. As it becomes 6 o'clock, I take my bag along with me, and then I come to my home. And then coming back from there, I freshen up myself, change my clothes, and then after that I watch TV for some time. I spend my time with my family, and after that I freshen up myself. After that, as it becomes 9 o'clock near about, I take dinner with my family, and after that I go for a walking, and I keep on walking for 15 to 20 minutes. Coming back from there, I take a glass of lukewarm milk, and after that I brush my teeth, and then I go to bed. That is my daily schedule. You have to learn this thing because as you know, English is very much important for anybody's career, and if you are not very much fluent and you are not correct with your ups and downs, you could not be very much good. So you have to work, you have to learn the things, and you have to make the practice makes a man perfect. Okay, now I am telling you the format. How can we make sentences? Now starts about the format of making. डेली शेड्यूल बनाने का मैं आपको तरीका बता रहा हूं। अभी यहां तरीका क्या है देखेंगे जरा। आई के साथ में आपको एक्शन की फर्स्ट फॉर्म लेकर चलनी है, यानी आई के साथ में वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म, या आई के साथ में एक्शन की फर्स्ट फॉर्म, यानी आई प्ले, आई गो, आई सिंग, आई डांस, आई कुक, आई गेट अप, एंड आई क्लीन टीथ, आई फ्लॉस माउथ। इन्हीं चीजों को कनेक्टिविटी देने के लिए हम कैसे करेंगे जरा देखेंगे। आई गेट अप अर्ली, यानी आई के साथ में एक्शन की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आ रही है, आई गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग एंड, अब इसको एंड से जोड़ दिया है ना, यहां एंड से हम जोड़ देंगे, आई गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग एंड आई फ्रेशन अप, यानी मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूं और फ्रेश हो जाता हूं, फ्रेश होना। ओके, नेक्स्ट उसके बाद क्या आता है, आफ्टर दैट, यानी हम जोड़ेंगे बातों को, यानी उसके बाद के लिए आफ्टर दैट आई क्लीन टीथ एंड फ्लॉस माउथ, after that I clean teeth and floss mouth, then I go to walk, और मैं घूमने चला जाता हूं। and I after that I keep on walking, keep on का मतलब मैं जारी रखता, I keep on walking up to 4 kilometers, मैं 4 किलोमीटर तक चलता रहता हूं, and do exercise for some time, यानी मैं और थोड़ी देर एक्सरसाइज करता हूं। after that I come back to my home, मैं घर वापस आता हूं, and or I take rest. After taking rest, I put off my shoes and then take one cup tea. यानी आपको मैंने एक तरीका बताया, this way you should adopt to learn English. I am taking guarantee of this one that you will surely be speaking very nicely in English, but you have to work. Until you start working on this topic, you can never learn English. So keep on learning, keep on learning. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही साथ कमेंट करके हमें बताएं आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी। थैंक यू।